Welcome to Meditation Tips, where we explore different techniques to help you cultivate inner peace and mindfulness in your daily life. In today's video, we're going to talk about the benefits of walking barefoot and how you can incorporate this practice into your meditation routine. Walking barefoot is a simple yet powerful way to connect with the earth and ground yourself in the present moment. By walking without shoes, you can experience the sensation of different textures and surfaces, and become more aware of the physical sensations in your body. One of the benefits of walking barefoot is that it can help you become more mindful and present. When you focus on the sensation of the grass, sand, or other textures under your feet, it can bring you into the present moment and help you release any distracting thoughts or worries. If you want to try walking barefoot as a form of meditation, here are some tips to get started. Tip number 1. Choose a quiet, safe space where you can walk comfortably without shoes. You might try a grassy area, a sandy beach, or a path in the woods. Tip number 2. Start with short walks, and gradually increase the length of your practice as you become more comfortable. Try walking for just a few minutes at first, and then gradually extend the time to 10 or 15 minutes. Tip number 3. Focus on your breath as you walk, inhaling and exhaling deeply with each step. This can help you stay present and focused on the sensations in your body. Tip number 4. Pay attention to the sensations in your feet as you walk, noticing the different textures and surfaces you encounter. You might also focus on the muscles in your legs and feet, and how they move with each step. Tip number 5. Walk slowly and mindfully, taking small steps and really feeling the sensation of the ground beneath your feet. Try to tune in to the sights, sounds, and smells around you as you walk, allowing yourself to fully experience the present moment. Tip number 6. Experiment with different types of walking, such as heel to toe, or walking on the balls of your feet. You might also try walking in circles or spirals, or walking in different directions. As you walk barefoot in nature, remember to take your time and enjoy the experience. Notice the beauty around you, and let go of any worries or distractions. Walking barefoot can be a powerful form of meditation, helping you to connect with the earth and ground yourself in the present moment. By paying attention to the sensations in your feet and the world around you, you can become more mindful, calm, and centered. So the next time you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, why not try taking off your shoes and taking a mindful walk in nature? It may just be the simple, grounding practice you need to find your inner peace. Thanks for joining us today on Meditation Tips. We hope you found these tips helpful, and that you'll try walking barefoot. Leave a comment below what kind of meditation tips you want to see in the next video.